Hello, children of Grange and adults of Grange and parents and carers. You are adults of Grange as well. And we're all working together to help our children absolutely shine and build their brilliant futures. And every day is important for us at Grange. So, remember last week we talked about how can you keep yourself safe? What can you do if you're feeling so worried, if you think, I don't feel safe? And we said you can talk to a trusted adult. And what I want to say is, oh my goodness, Bob Marley class, you did amazing work because you talked about it and you talked about it. And all of you, and all of you know this, but and a few of you came with Ms. Matuszewski and you talked to me and you said, Mr. Kerbal, don't worry because we know how to keep ourselves safe. If we are worried, if we don't feel safe, we can talk to a trusted adult, an adult we trust. That's like your teacher, your educator, the adults who work with you in Grange. And you remember I showed you the poster and I said there's Miss Raza who works with me and and there's me, Mr. Kerbal, and there's Miss Waite who also works with me to keep everybody safe. And even the other person that you can see on this picture is Miss Atkinson. And her job is to always say, Mr. Kerbal, are all the children feeling safe at Grange? Do they know what to do if they don't feel safe? And I say, Miss Atkinson, don't worry. The children at Grange know what to do. Even Bob Marley class, they came and they showed me. They'd made drawings and pictures because they drew pictures of the teacher and the educator in their class, and they even were writing Miss Matuszewski's name because that's how brilliantly you can write now at Grange. And all of you just really practice your writing. I'm so proud of you for doing that effort. So you know what to do. And look at this. This was the pictures from Bob Marley doing the drawings. Can you see over there people doing the drawings? You can even see where some people have written Miss Matuszewski. I love that. And they've done drawings of Miss Matuszewski and Miss Smiley and Miss McDade, and they've done drawings as well of other people as well. And I think even maybe somebody drew me because we're your trusted adults and you can talk to us and we can help to just make sure that you are safe and you feel safe. So well done, children. I'm so proud of you. Stars of the week this week were Stefania and Amaya and Jasim and Josiah. And I am so proud of you. You were gold stars this week. And who were your class champions? Well, Clinton in Bob Marley and Rebecca in Bob Marley and Yoaz in Bob Marley and Isaiah in Bob Marley and Mariam in Sojourner Truth and Amira in Sojourner Truth and Niam in Sojourner Truth. Wow, look at you, class champions. Just remember, children of Grange, we have the CC way. Let me show you what you can do with the CC way. You can make like the shape of a C and then bend your finger in a little bit. You can make looks like a mirror shape of a C. Bend your finger in a little bit. Put them together. There's the heart. And then you can go, because we love Spanish at Grange, you can go C, C, vamos, which means come on, let's go. Let's do our Grange CC way. Confidence, consideration. And we can even show them, we can do good listening, we can do kind words, we can use kind hands, confidence, consideration. And we know at Grange we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved at Grange. Everybody loves us. We are Grange and we belong to a special school that really cares about our children and really helps our children to learn brilliantly, and helps our children to know how to behave brilliantly so that they can be brilliant learners and kind people and make a difference in the world. And we are going to make it. We're all going to build our brilliant futures together. Whoops, let me go back. See the reindeer? That is just so special. That's one of the things I'm so looking forward to. Before we have Christmas at our school, real live reindeer are coming to our school. It's so exciting. We're just going to make sure we all get a chance to see our real live reindeer. So let's do a CC salute together. Confidence for myself, love for myself, looking after myself, confidence being my best. And look at our beautiful world, our beautiful planet over there. just circle outwards, because I am going to have consideration. I'm going to think about everybody. I'm going to be kind. I'm going to make a difference. So confidence for myself, consideration for the world, everybody and everything in the world. Well done, everybody. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead and be safe and happy. Let's learn together at Grange. Let's respect each other at Grange. Let's achieve our potential at Grange. Let's be great.